The TREMcrete range is 5 different products we have in the concrete repair suite. The activator as a primer also uses secondary hydration, so gives us a good bond between substrate and the coat that we put on, which I know no one else in the market's doing at the moment. The beauty of the activator, it also can repair hairline cracks. So we've got some cool little footage of some befores and afters of hairline cracks being repaired by literally spraying on the activator. If you get to a job with a unsatisfactory substrate, we can use one of our TREMcrete products to prepare the substrate properly. So, to go under our Vulcum systems, roof coatings, deck coatings, below grade reprofiling, retaining walls, things like that before you lay your Paraseal or your 250 GC. So there is a market for the new construction as well. Now we've got an offer into the market where, it can be a whole Tremco job.